message for the following counties in Ohio: Stark, Summit, and Wayne. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for West Central Stark County in northeastern Ohio, South Central Summit County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Wayne County in northeastern Ohio until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Creston or near Worcester, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Orville around 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Doylestown around 4:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Greene around 5:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include New Franklin, Canal Fulton, North Lawrence, Smithville, Marshallville, Clinton, and Portage Lakes. In Ohio, Medina, and Wayne. A tornado warning remains.